I just walked nearly 80 miles and my entire body is in pain. My left leg is definitely swollen compared to my right. You can't even see my ankle. I don't even know why this happened. I'm not sure if I should be concerned or not. I'm gonna walk 77 miles in a row. Why? We're all dumb. You know how I'm going backpacking on Saturday?
Yeah.
Can you make my bag?
What is that?
That is my template.
I thought it was a trash can. Done.
It's done. There we go. Officially started. My wife did a great job on this pocket. Nice, convenient. Slap my phone in there. It's just made from an old shirt. Like a stretchy athletic shirt. Sewn right onto the straps. Like, that's so good. She is excellent. And I'm warm now. This works great for stuffing that in. All right. Taking a little break. Yeah, I'm feeling it in my back. Not a good sign for doing 72 miles ahead of me. I think there's somebody ahead of me. You can kind of tell by the leaves. There's kind of disturbances. This is not a good spot for demonstrating that. Buddy, I only saw two people at kind of the trailhead, and they were going somewhere else and not hiking this. I'm not sure anybody's gonna be on the trail because tomorrow's Super Bowl Sunday, so I don't think many people are gonna be out here for that. I don't know. We'll see. Some people up here. Maybe that's the guys ahead of me. Yeah, some day hikers. Just past them. I don't know if it's... I feel a little awkward asking to record people while talking to them. Maybe I should just get over that because I don't know if they mind or not. Something, I guess I'd like to be more forward or adamant about, or less self-conscious. But yeah, they were doing the day hike ahead of me, and they said that there's a couple people ahead of them. I like to try and run into some people. It's always nice to talk and see what people are up to, what their story is, and where they came from, where they're going. Maybe some video of them, conversations or something interesting. Because this is just fun out here. It's beautiful. It's cold, but I've been moving, so I feel really good. The blood's pumping. I'm liking this tripod. It works out as like a selfie stick pretty good. How far can I go? Parkour. Too extreme. The watch thinks there's an incident. Oh, hit cancel. Cancel. Detour. So the goal for this trip is to do 20 miles a day. I want to finish on Valentine's Day because You know, it's Valentine's Day. I want to spend that with the wife. You know, I don't want to be out here in the cold alone by myself. And that would just be really awesome to finish on Valentine's Day. My wife picks me up. We go do something special. Oh wow, this is beautiful here. This is the old slip and you die part of the trail. This is a straight up armadillo. That is so cool. I've never seen one in real life before. It doesn't even seem bothered by me. I'm staying distant. I'm not close at all. I don't know if it looks like I am, but I'm not. He doesn't even care. He's like a honey badger. He's just looking for snacks. But they can't get rabies, can they? Alright, that's really cool. Did not expect to see an armadillo. But I need to keep moving. It's kind of getting a little dim. I need to move on to a campsite, set up and prepare for the day to end. Stop it! No rain! No! That's sleet. Still sleeting. Might turn into rain. I need to get to the campsite ASAP. I think I'm gonna need these. Let's go! Finally. I would very much be lying if I sat here and told you that today was easy. I guarantee you it was not. My feet are pretty beat. My back is tired. My hands are freezing cold. Even though I felt warm, I don't know how cold it is. I mean, it was cold enough to sleet. The forecast said possibility of snow. A lot of rain. Really tired. Hungry. Eat. Go to sleep. Do it again tomorrow. Slept pretty alright. My tent did leak though. I don't think I did too great of a job seam sealing it. But I didn't get soaking wet, so that's okay. Stayed warm. I had not one but two quilts. This is my wife's. Don't hate. You love it. It's pink. It's like the most bright fluorescent pink I've ever seen in my life, but she loves it. It's really warm. Choose even warmer. Kept me nice. I stayed pretty dry, even though you can. See if I can show. Too bright. Just kind of water getting on everything in here. But it's just a light kind of sprinkling. I'd be surprised to see anybody out here today. Super Bowl Sunday, and well, as you can tell, the weather is not great. These are the first guys I've seen, and they've seen.
It's raining a lot.
Pretty hardcore to be out here on a Super Bowl Sunday and the rain, but are you guys enjoying it?
Yeah, yesterday it was great. This is my first time ever hiking in the rain. So,
Yeah, I've
but,
been in the rain before, and it's never fun. But you said your name's Vinny
yeah.
and Lyndon, right? Hey, nice to meet you guys. We're headed the same way, so I don't know if we'll stay up or not. But
We hike a bit together for sure.
hey, it's awesome to catch some people out here.
It's nice to not be completely alone, huh?
Yeah, enjoying the fun or misery or whatever you want to call it. But
Cool.
awesome guys. Yeah, really happy to see some people out here, but they're headed ahead of me, or they're going ahead of me, and they recommended this waterfall that's 0.3 miles. So I'm gonna check that out, try to catch back up, maybe have some company for the trip. It's been raining, so I think this waterfall is worth it. So it turns out it was worth it. Somebody lost their beanie. Well, I hope whoever lost it finds it or sees this and comes back to it. Sorry, guy. Alright, I found my solution to going to the bathroom. Do you want to peek inside? It's just water. Somebody was kind enough to probably clean it out, so if you gotta go, you gotta go. If my calculations are correct, or better yet, that sign, I'm officially at the halfway point. And with this step, I'm over halfway done. You have got to be kidding me. Slowly but surely. But wait, there's more. So I see things like this, and I wonder, how the heck did they get this here? This is in the middle of nowhere. And look at all this. It's a whole dang bridge. How did they get this here? And assemble it? Did they repair it, do maintenance? It's just something that kind of boggles my mind. You see these two trees right here? They have important religious significance. It's because they're holy. I've been out here too long. I don't like the sound of that. This wasn't kidding. Whoa. I don't think that it ends when you turn a corner. You know what you see? Stairs. I think I'm at the top. That wasn't that bad. And it took too long on some things, some drone stuff and whatnot. But I'm gonna make the campsite before too late. Pretty cold one last night and this morning. So today is a special day. It's Valentine's Day. And I don't know if I made a mistake of telling my wife that I might be done today. But here we are. In order to finish by today, I need to cover 21 miles. That's a lot of miles. But I'm gonna try. I don't want to spend another day because tomorrow it's supposed to rain 1 inch. And my rain gear has not been the best. So that is also motivation to finish for today.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, how are you?
Pretty good. Oh, you having a good hike?
Yeah.
Where'd you put in at?
Oconee.
Okay, so you're doing the
Yep.
south to north.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing the other way. I'm on my way to Oconee.
Okay. When'd you start?
Sunday afternoon.
Okay.
So I just drove in and then parked down at Oconee, got a hot ride up. Got on the trail about 1, did about 4 miles. Stayed at Lighthouse Campsite.
Yep, I've been there before.
I was going to say, if you haven't, it's a great place to wake up in the morning and see the sun hit that wall.
Yeah, I want to try and finish today. I'll probably be kind of late. I've been up to the...
You're going to be, you'll be all but even.
Once,
Try to finish today.
I think once you get past Lighthouse and up that bit, it's all downhill pretty much.
It is.
But it's supposed to rain a lot tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
And that's my rain gear, I found out already, isn't the best. So
That's how you live and learn, dude.
yeah, well, that's why I'm here. Well, it was nice to meet
Nice meeting you too, dude.
This is the hardest part of the entire trail. With over 4.5 miles of just straight elevation climb, I'm gonna have to do this as fast as possible. I want to make it home, and thankfully, I'm feeling pretty okay. My knees are doing good. My muscles ache. My back's okay. Hopefully, I can make it in time. Let's do this. I'm so thankful to have an awesome, supportive wife who made my pack, made my other bags too, my stuffed sacks and miscellaneous bags, who drove me out here, is gonna pick me up, and it's because of her I'm pushing extra hard to be done today. It's Valentine's Day, so I can give her a big old kiss while I'm all smelly and sweaty and dirty from all of this hiking. It's for you, April. Right now, I'm exactly between North and South Carolina. And the highest point of not only the trail, but also South Carolina. With that, it's kind of downhill from here. Got a little less than 10 miles to go, and I'll be done. Less than 10 miles to go. Trying to beat the darkness, trying to beat the park closing, but also the battery dying in my devices, like my watch. Kind of tracking all my miles. Oh, and my phone. So, got a few things counting on me getting done in time. Alright, I caught up, but I can't stay. I've got to head out.
Stand all alone in the middle of nowhere.
But it was great meeting you.
You too.
Enjoyed time together. And maybe we'll head up another trail or something.
Yeah, we'll see what the future brings. And
Hey.
how we met.
Yeah, no, it was awesome. How'd you like the trail?
It was pretty good. A good trail. Not the most scenic, not the most rewarding for your efforts, but good practice though. That's what I came out here. So
Yeah, definitely challenging,
yeah, definitely challenging.
but that's a good
Beat.
thing, I think.
Yeah.
All right, well, hey, I'm gonna head out.
Safe.
Today's episode of 1001 Ways to Die. This has been a pretty awesome challenge. Tested myself, and now I know more. People like to think they're tough or know what they would do in certain situations, but you really don't know until you're put into a challenging situation. And most of the time, you're going to come out humbled, which is great. If you have the discipline to correct yourself, you're just going to improve. I highly recommend everybody get out there and challenge themselves. I'm not saying you got to do this, but you need to do something. And with that, I have now officially completed the Foothills Trail. Oh, look, a prize! My watch officially clocked 79.6 miles. This challenge was very rewarding, but the real treasure was the friends I made along the way.